Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Ever found yourself in need of a Windows 11 bootable USB? Well, you're in luck! Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide to help you breeze through the process. Stick around as we tackle the why, how, and all the key steps. Open your go-to browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, you name it. Type in Windows 11 ISO file download and hit enter. Look for the official Downloads Windows 11 inches link, click on it. Choose Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO for x64 device. Hit that Download Now button. Pick your language and operating system. Click Save As, and then just save. Easy peasy. Pop open a new tab, and in the search bar type Rufus. Click on the first link. That's the Rufus we're looking for. Go for Rufus 4.4, click and download that app. Save it by hitting Save As, and then Save. Here is the next step. Follow the step. Jump into File Explorer and locate that downloaded Rufus setup file. Plug in your trusty USB drive. Double-click on the Rufus setup file. Say Yes to kick off the installation. Hit Select and choose that Windows 11 ISO file. Select your partition scheme. Ready? Click Start. Punch in your username. Hit OK twice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.